We're going on a sound hunt.
We're going on a sound hunt.
Can you help us find some?
Yes, we're gonna find some.
We're going on a sound hunt. We're going on a sound hunt. Listen out to the sound for the sound hunt. We're going on a sound hunt. Here comes the clue. Can you find a
I?
Can you find it? Is it over here? Is it over there? Can you find the sound? Oh yeah, let's go find the
I?
Let's go on our sound hunt.
Hello friends! Today we're going on a hunt for this sound.
I?
Watch the mouth and practice saying this sound out loud. I. Great job! Okay, let's get ready. Letters with sounds will appear on the screen. Wiggle your fingers when you hear this sound.
I? O. U. A. E. U.
Fantastic job wiggling your fingers. Now let's explore some words with this sound.
Sight. Might. Tight. Fright. Bright.
We've been on a sound hunt and found some things with this sound.
I.
Let's see what we've found.
Thigh. Light. Highchair. Lightning. Moonlight.
Can you go on a sound hunt too? Have fun finding things with this sound.
I.
Happy exploring! We'll see you next time.